This KQZ 150W solder fume extractor is designed to keep your workspace clean and safe by removing harmful smoke, odors, and particles during soldering, laser cutting, engraving, and 3D printing. Check the description for the current price and available offers, and click the Amazon link at the end to get yours today. The extractor features a powerful brushless motor that delivers high-speed performance with a strong 280 cubic meters per hour airflow, helping remove fumes quickly and efficiently. Its advanced 3-layer filtration system captures up to 99.97% of particles, including tiny smoke particles, while activated carbon helps reduce unwanted odors for cleaner air. The smart LED control system allows easy speed adjustment, timer settings, and convenient operation with a remote control. It also includes an anti-clogging alarm that alerts users when the filter needs attention, improving safety and maintenance. With aviation-grade sound insulation, this machine works quietly at only 55 dB, making it suitable for long working sessions without disturbance. The package includes 10 replaceable pre-filters and a flexible hose that makes connection with laser machines simple and effective. This extractor is ideal for professionals, hobbyists, and DIY users working with soldering projects, laser engraving, laser cutting, and 3D printing. Its strong suction power and reliable filtration make it a practical solution for controlling smoke and maintaining a healthier working environment. The KQZ 150W solder fume extractor combines performance, smart features, and easy operation, making it a valuable tool for anyone who needs efficient fume removal. Click the Amazon link at the end to explore more details and purchase this product.